You are welcome to online lectures with Eternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at biology and we have a question on the board. The question says, which of the following does not make a virus a non-living organism? A. Does not reproduce without a host. B. Does not carry out respiration. C. Does not excrete waste products. D. Does not need a host cellular machinery to be alive. Alright, let's look at the question again. Which of the following does not make a virus a non-living organism? Please, we need to be careful with this type of question. Don't just rush and start answering. Try to understand the question. The question says, which of the following does not make a virus a non-living organism? Okay, let's keep a blind eye on this does not and see how the question reads. Which of the following makes a virus a non-living organism? Which of the following makes a virus a non-living organism? This means which of the following are characteristics that depicts a virus as a non-living organism. So if you now add does not, what it means is that which of the following does not show that a virus is a non-living organism. So in other words, I will say which of the following is not a non-living characteristics of a virus. Which is not a non-living characteristics of a what? Virus. Now let us go look at the options again. Does not reproduce without a host. Basically, a virus is just just nucleic acid, DNA or RNA in a protein coat. There is no organelle. There is no organelle. In fact, it's not even a cell. A virus is not a cell. So, if that is the case, virus, if is on its own, is not living because it doesn't have attributes of a cell, because a cell is the basic functional unit of life, basic functional unit of every living organism. And a cell is formed from macromolecules to organelles, that at level organelles, when the organelles now come together, they form a living cell. But for a virus is at the level of macromolecules, nucleic acid and protein, macromolecules. So it's not even up to the level of organelles. So it's not living outside the host. Now, if a virus gains entrance into a host, the virus will automatically make use of the cellular machinery of the host and starts reproducing or replicating, increasing in number. That's what happens when a virus gains entrance into a living host in the cell at the cellular world level. So, does not reproduce without a host. This is a non-living attribute of a what? Virus. Yes, virus can only reproduce if it's within a host. So without a host, it does not what? Reproduce. So this is not the option, an answer, because this shows that this is an attribute of a non-living attribute of what? Virus. So it doesn't suit to this what? Question. So I will not take this. Now, option B, does not carry out respiration. As I said before now, virus is not even at the cellular level. It has no organelles. So and it doesn't have what it means, what it takes to break down nutrients to release energy. They're not like energy when it comes to what virus. So virus does not respire. It doesn't even take in air. So it does not respire. It doesn't have what it takes to do what? Respire. So virus does not carry out respiration. Remember the question said, does not make a virus a non-living organism. So I will not take this. Now, C says, does not excrete waste products. It doesn't have what it takes to metabolize, to break down food, to digest and break down food particles to apart from the food particles, even the other metabolic pathway that will lead to waste product. It doesn't have all those things. It's not even at the cellular level. That's the basic thing. So virus cannot do all these things. So virus cannot excrete. So does not excrete waste product is a non-living attribute of a virus. Remember the question says does not make a virus a non-living organism. So this makes a virus a non-living organism. So I will not take this. Option D. Does not need a host cellular machinery to be alive. Outside the host body, virus is non-living. So when it gains entrance into the host body, it will use the cellular machinery of the host to reproduce and carry out other activities. So virus needs cellular machinery of the host to be alive. So, but option C does not need a host cellular machinery to be alive. This is trying to portray a virus as a living organism. You know, living organisms, whether they are inside a host cell or not, they can still be alive. But this is trying to depict virus as a living organism. So I will take this as a what? Option, because the question says does not make a virus a non-living organism. In another way, you can see say makes a virus a living organism. So this is the option, because this one is trying to say that a virus is a living organism, that is not a non-living organism. So I will take this option. So the most appropriate answer to this question is option D, does not need a host's cellular machinery to be alive. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook page. My Facebook page and YouTube channel name are the same thing. From Eternity, the schoolboy, is on the screen. Please comment, share, like my videos. God bless you. See you next time.